Hi, I hope you're having a good day so far. I haven't made any new content in a while on this page. I've been so busy working on a new sound healing album for Alien Tacos, my music group. It's very near and dear to me, and I go where my creativity takes me, and if that is painting, I'll work on painting for a while. If that is exploring, I will go explore for a while. Lately, it has been music. I have been turning out song after song after song about feelings, really hard feelings, really light feelings. If you're a highly sensitive person like me, you will definitely be able to relate to the new album. Today is all about skincare. I know I focus mainly on hair, but I've had a few questions from people wondering how I take care of my skin, so that's why I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I like to take some days off and not wear makeup and just let my skin breathe. I know some people are about putting it on all the time, and I love makeup too, but sometimes it's fine to just go bare. So my skincare routine is first a cleanser. I go in with my PMD and massage. Then I do a serum. I've been really liking this one by 111 Skin. And then I go in with an eye cream. I'm going to be using the Renewing Eye Cream by Murad. This little guy. And then moisturizer. Great moisturizer by 111 Skin. I get a lot of sample sizes in my Ipsy bags, which I love. I love using new products all the time, so it's good for me. I know some people just like to use one thing and that's it, but I like to change it up, so it works for me. And then I'm finishing off with some Pearlie's Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. I will be outside in the garden today, so it's really important for me to protect my skin and make sure that I'm not getting any damage from the sun. So I'm going to go in and cleanse first. So my face is flat and I'm going in with the cleanser. Rub it on my hands first. Got some waves hanging down here. That's okay. It's wash day. No big deal. I know I look a little crazy, huh? So then I turn on my little device by BMD. I use the first one. It's the most gentlest to me. And then I just go around my face in little circles. Just make sure I'm getting all the dirt and oil out. Of course, dust mites too. Everybody has dust mites in their house. Make sure you're washing your pillowcase every day or two, because having a clean pillowcase really factors in having nice skin. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are, dust mites live everywhere. So I know that's kind of gross and a lot of people don't want to think about that, but it's really important to me to take care of my body and my skin. So I'm just going in there. This device I got from Ipsy too. I love their subscription service. I got it for 80% off, which is really nice to get those discounted products. So I'm just going to go ahead, wet the BMD again. This really softens your skin as well and exfoliates anything that shouldn't be left behind. All right, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off now. So my skin is all clean. Now I am going to go in with this 111 Skin Y Theorem Repair Serum. So I go in with about that much. You can see, not a huge amount, just enough to cover the face. The forehead, cheek, nose, chin. And I go in with some eye cream for these big peepers. I naturally have very dark around the eyes. I'm Greek, so it's just kind of a hereditary genetic thing. So I go in with about this much eye cream. I'm using the Murad. Just put that under there like that. And do the same on the other side. And just gently go in. Now you may notice I have very stretchy skin. It's because I have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, a genetic connective tissue disorder. I have very hypermobile joints and very stretchy skin, so that's just something I have to deal with in skincare and everything else and modify my life based on that. So now I'm going to be going in with my moisturizer. I'm using the 111 Skin Y Theorem Day Cream. This guy here. Use about this much. And again, I go forehead, cheek, nose, chin. And then I have a little bit left over and I go under chin and neck with that. So very gently get that on there. Now I don't massage that in all the way. I go back in with my PMD and I use not the exfoliating side, but the massage side. And I massage that moisturizer in. So I'll massage this in for a little while. And then after this, I will go over with sunscreen since I'm going to be outside today. Now last, I'm going to go in with some sunscreen. I'm using the Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. Sunscreen always goes last no matter what you're doing with skincare. Always put sunscreen last so that it can do its job. Right, so I'm going in with about this much. Forehead, chin, cheek. Get the décolletage area because that's season too. Now I don't go in and massage this in with my PMD. I just leave this sit on top of my skin like that. So that's my skincare. I hope this helps you.